Hi future residents, it's Bernice Retzloff with Foundation Property Management, and today we're on site at one of our lovely homes listed for rent, and I would love to take you on a tour. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home, but get this, the first month is half off. And if you qualify, you will not have to put down a security deposit. We are in the 38107 in the heart of Memphis, in the very desirable, very adorable N Evergreen Historic District. Let's go take a look. Today we are at 930 North Evergreen Street in Memphis, Tennessee. This home is updated and it has a classic charm to it. It has a 1-car drive leading up to the right side of the home. And this property is located in the school district of Valentine Elementary, which is a 3-minute walk from this property. You can actually see it on the corner there. It is 9 minutes away from Grandview Heights Middle School and 7 minutes away from Manassas High School. It is also located just 6 minutes away from the University of Memphis. This property has an adorable covered front porch up here. Plenty of room for maybe a breakfast table, a couple chairs. You can relax and watch the cars go by. Show you this really fast. Isn't that cute? Let's take a look inside. We have security doors out front. Welcome home. Here we have the living room. The living room has beautiful original hardwood floors, big windows throughout that allow natural light to just beam into this property. We have an exposed beam in the living room here. It gives the space a very nice touch of character. Fireplace in the living area. Now I am unsure if this fireplace works. Here we have the kitchen. It is an open concept kitchen with stainless steel appliances, ample counter space, a deep sink, these countertops are granite, lots of cabinet space for storage, updated light fixtures throughout the home. I love this backsplash. Let's go back through the living room, take a left down the hall. And here we have bedroom number 1. Bedroom number 1 is quite spacious. You could easily fit a queen bed and a dresser in here with room to spare. Here we have the closet. Spacious closet, wood shelving up top and a rod to hang your clothes. Let's continue down the hall, take a left. Here we have the bathroom. We have tile in the bathroom. The tile in here really gives the bathroom a modern look to it. One sink vanity is an updated vanity. Here we have the tub and shower. We have tile surround with a built-in shelf for all of your hair care products and your body wash. Here we have the linen closet. That tile flows into the bottom. We have wood shelves up top for storage. Now this is an older home since it is in the historic district. I love these phone booths. I just think it's really cute. You put a vase of flowers there, just adds character to the home. Here we have bedroom number 2. Bedroom number 2 could also fit a queen bed and a dresser. Or if you want a little more space, a full bed and a dresser would do. We have a deep closet here that hardwood flooring flows into the bottom. Spacious closet. Let's continue down the hall and take a left. We have our 3rd bedroom here. This would actually be considered the master. It's located in the back of the house. As you can see, I kept all the blinds down just because the natural light it messes with my camera footage, but it is just gorgeous. Oh, also you could fit a queen bed and a dresser in here with room to spare. Here we have the bathroom for the master. I love this tile flooring in here. It is just beautiful. We have a 2-sink vanity. And here we have a glass shower. Very fancy. We have tile surround in the shower. And a built-in shelf in the shower for all of your products. Whoever rents this home is going to live like kings and queens. Oh, my apologies. Right behind this door, we have the closet for the master. We have hardwood flooring that flows into the bottom, a rod up top to hang your clothes. Directly across from the master, we have the utility closet with washer and dryer hookup. Now, if you do need washer and dryer or other appliances, please feel free to reach out to us at FoundationPM, and we would love to answer any questions about our appliance packages. Let's go ahead and take a look at the backyard. It's always my favorite part. Another security door out back. Spacious backyard with a fence for privacy. This backyard is perfect for relaxing, hosting, and gardening. Whatever suits your fancy. If you have kiddos, this pad right here could be used for extra parking or, I don't know, a basketball hoop. The world is your oyster. Here is a pan of the back of the house. Now, I would like to say that this property is located 8 minutes from Midtown, 12 minutes from downtown, 4 minutes from Overton Park, and 6 minutes away from the Memphis Zoo. It is also 3 minutes away from I-40 and I-69. Well-situated property. You can get just about anywhere in Memphis. Now, there is a cell phone tower in the back. I can assure you it does not cause cancer. It's just kind of there. It won't hurt you. Thank you so much for going on this lovely tour with me and watching this video. If you have interest in making this property your home, please feel free to go to FoundationPM.com and submit an application. This property is located in a desirable area and it is just adorable, so it definitely won't last long. Also, if you have any further questions about our appliance package, you can also reach us at FoundationPM.com. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.